They know the truth about God because He has made it obvious to them. Dit sê want hulle kan sy onsigbare eienskappe, naamlik sy ewige krag en sy goddelikheid reeds van die skepping van die wêreld af duidelik uit sy handewerke waarneem. Daarom kan hulle self nie verontskuldig nie. They have no excuse for knowing God. No one has an excuse. And the meaning is that we justify what we do. Well, it's not that bad, and it's not me, and it's not my fault. But we are guilty. And the wages of sin is death. And I'm not talking about death, dying here. I'm talking about death and eternal separation, because physical death in this world is instantaneous and it happens and it's over. But there is an eternal death that we are destined for if someone does not save us. This morning we ask, is the one there in Jerusalem worthy? We have to admit that all of us are guilty and have to ask the question, the one that said, I am the Lamb, was he worthy? Is hy waardig om daardie skuldprys te betaal?